Hello and welcome, I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. If you would like to see a completed cosplay, check out the medieval gender-bent Harley Quinn playlist on my channel. Today we will be starting the 7th cosplay, but before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The 7th cosplay I will be making is for myself. I will be doing Wendy, the mascot of Wendy's. For those who do not know, the Wendy of Wendy's is based on the daughter of Dave Thomas, the creator of the burger joint. He named his restaurant after her nickname and created the mascot in hopes of creating something that people would recognize and tie to the company. The first image of the mascot is Wendy Thomas in a cute dress with pigtails. This helped create the logo we know and love today. I'm looking forward to creating a cosplay of my own design to pay homage to this lovely mascot. Here in this video, I will cover the patterns, fabrics, notations, and other tools I will use to create the cosplay. If you do not know how to read a pattern or what a notation is, check out my video on how to read patterns. For this cosplay, I will again be combining two patterns. For the bodice of the dress, I will be using this pioneered pattern that I got for the Miss Frizzle cosplay. If you would like to see how I made Miss Frizzle, check out the playlist on my channel. I got this from Hobby Lobby for about $12. I will be doing design A without this rickrack here in the center or the lace around this collar here. For the skirt and sleeves, I will be using the Wizard of Oz pattern. I got this from Joann for about $12. It was 30% off. I will be using the skirt and sleeves from pattern A. For the fabric, I will be using this blue and white calico cotton. I needed 4 yards and I was able to get it from Joann for about $28. It's super soft and I look forward to wearing the dress. I will also need interfacing. I had a lot of this left over from other cosplays, so I will be using that for this. There are several notations that I will need for this design. First, I will be using this blue thread that was gifted to me by a follower. I will also be using this lace for the collar, as Wendy's design has lace around her collar. I already owned this lace. I will also need a zipper. This is a 22-inch zipper that I bought from Hobby Lobby for $1. Finally, I will need hook and eye closures. I already owned these as well. Finally, there are a couple of accessories. Wendy has a small brooch on her design. I will be using this brooch, which has been in my family for generations. I will also need to go thrift shopping for some white Mary Janes, as well as shopping for some white types and red Sharpie or red fabric paint to make the stockings to wear with the outfit. Finally, I will make hair ribbons out of the fabric scraps. If you would like to see how I did this for a previous cosplay, check out the Little Red Riding Hood accessories video on my channel. Now that you know the patterns and plans, you are ready to start making the bodice and sleeves for the Wendy's cosplay. If you would like to see a cosplay I've already completed, check out the medieval Poison Ivy playlist on my channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!